Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of travel, exploring the top trends for 2025. Get ready to be inspired because we're about to uncover some seriously incredible destinations just begging to be explored. From ancient traditions to futuristic cityscapes, these trending destinations offer a little something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a history buff, a foodie or a nature enthusiast, get ready to pack your bags because you're about to be seriously bitten by the travel bug. So grab your notebook, jot down your favorites, and get ready for some serious wanderlust and adventure. Let's dive into the top 5 travel trends for 2025 and see what the future holds. First up, we're heading to the land of the rising sun, a country that seamlessly blends ancient traditions with futuristic innovation, Japan. This is a place where the past and the future coexist in perfect harmony, creating a unique and captivating experience for every traveler. Imagine wandering through peaceful bamboo forests, where the rustling leaves create a soothing symphony, and the towering bamboo stalks make you feel like you've stepped into another world. Witnessing the iconic Mount Fuji piercing the sky is a sight to behold. This majestic mountain, often capped with snow, stands as a symbol of Japan's natural beauty and serene landscapes. And diving into the electric energy of Tokyo's neon-lit streets is an experience like no other. The city pulses with life, offering endless entertainment, shopping, and dining options that cater to every taste. Japan is a feast for the senses. From the tantalizing aromas of street food to the tranquil beauty of meticulously maintained gardens, every corner of this country offers something new and exciting. The best time to experience Japan's magic truly depends on what you're looking for. Each season brings its own unique charm and activities, making it a year-round destination. Spring brings the iconic cherry blossoms, painting the country in delicate shades of pink. These fleeting blooms are celebrated with festivals and picnics, creating a picturesque and festive atmosphere. But be warned, this is peak tourist season, so expect crowds and higher prices. Planning ahead is essential to make the most of your visit during this popular time. For a more budget-friendly adventure, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall, when the weather is still pleasant and the crowds are smaller. The autumn foliage, with its vibrant reds and oranges, is particularly stunning. If you're all about that winter wonderland vibe, then December to February offers the chance to hit the slopes and experience Japan's famous powder snow. Ski resorts in places like Hokkaido are world-renowned for their excellent conditions. Now let's talk about the people. The warmth and hospitality of the Japanese are legendary. The Japanese are known for their incredible hospitality, politeness, and respect. Their cultural practices, such as bowing and meticulous customer service, reflect a deep-seated respect for others. From the moment you step off the plane, you'll be met with kindness and a genuine desire to make your experience unforgettable. This welcoming spirit is felt everywhere, from bustling cities to quiet villages. Japan is a country that will leave you speechless with its beauty, from its serene countryside to its bustling urban landscapes. It will move you with its rich culture, where ancient traditions are still very much alive and celebrated through festivals, ceremonies, and daily life. And it will inspire you with its innovation. Japan is at the forefront of technology, with cutting-edge gadgets, robotics, and futuristic architecture that push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're indulging in the freshest sushi, prepared with precision and care by master chefs, mastering the art of calligraphy, a practice that requires patience and skill, or witnessing the dedication of a traditional tea ceremony where every movement is a form of art, Japan is a journey that will stay with you long after you've said sayonara. The memories you create here will be cherished for a lifetime, making you want to return again and again. Next, we're venturing to a land of dramatic contrasts, where glaciers carve their way through volcanic landscapes, creating a breathtaking and surreal environment that seems almost otherworldly. And the northern lights dance across the night sky, painting it with vibrant hues of green and purple. Welcome to Iceland. This Nordic gem is a paradise for adventurers, nature lovers, and anyone seeking a truly unique travel experience. From the rugged terrain to the serene beauty, Iceland offers something for everyone. Picture yourself soaking in geothermal hot springs as snow falls gently around you, creating a magical and serene atmosphere. Imagine hiking through otherworldly landscapes that seem to be straight out of a fantasy novel, and witnessing the raw power of cascading waterfalls, each one more stunning than the last. Iceland is a place where you can truly connect with nature's raw beauty, feeling the pulse of the earth beneath your feet. The best time to visit Iceland depends on your priorities. Whether you're chasing the northern lights or enjoying the midnight sun, planning is key. For your best chance to witness the northern lights, plan your trip between September and April, when the skies are darkest and the auroras are most active. But remember, winter in Iceland means shorter days and chilly temperatures, so pack accordingly. Warm clothing and a sense of adventure are essential. Summer, on the other hand, offers milder weather and the chance to experience the midnight sun, a surreal phenomenon where the sun barely sets, bathing the landscape in an ethereal glow that lasts for hours. Now let's talk about the people, the heart and soul of Iceland. Icelanders are known for their resilience, independence, and deep connection to their natural surroundings. Their spirit is as strong as the landscapes they inhabit. Don't be surprised if you find yourself sharing stories with friendly locals over a cup of strong Icelandic coffee, learning about their rich history and culture. Iceland is a land of stark beauty, adventure, and a touch of magic. Every corner of this island holds a new wonder to discover. Whether you're exploring ice caves, hiking to hidden waterfalls, or discovering secret spots known only to locals, or simply soaking in the tranquility of the Icelandic countryside, where time seems to stand still, this is a destination that will leave a lasting impression, creating memories that will stay with you forever. New Zealand adventure and serenity combined. Now let's jet off to the other side of the world, to a country that boasts an incredible diversity of landscapes packed into two stunning islands, New Zealand. This land of the long white cloud is a paradise for those seeking both adventure and tranquility. This is a place where you can go from hiking through lush rainforests to skiing down snow-capped mountains all in one day. The variety of experiences available is truly astounding. Imagine yourself kayaking through pristine fjords, bungee jumping off bridges, and feeling the rush of adrenaline as you take in the breathtaking scenery. And don't miss the chance to explore caves lit by glowworms, a magical experience that feels like stepping into another world. New Zealand is a playground for thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. Whether you're into extreme sports or simply enjoying the great outdoors, there's something here for everyone. The best time to visit New Zealand is during their summer, which runs from December to February, when the weather is warm and sunny, perfect for outdoor adventures. The long days and pleasant temperatures make it ideal for exploring. When the weather is warm and sunny, it's perfect for outdoor adventures. You can enjoy everything from beach outings to mountain hikes. If you're a skier or snowboarder, then winter, from June to August, offers fantastic conditions on the slopes. The snow-covered mountains provide a winter wonderland for snow sports enthusiasts. New Zealanders, often called Kiwis, are known for their laid-back attitude, love of the outdoors, and warm hospitality. Their friendly nature makes visitors feel right at home. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. You might just make a new friend or discover a hidden gem. The locals are always eager to share their favorite spots and stories. New Zealand is a country that will captivate you with its beauty, from its rolling hills to its dramatic coastlines. It will challenge you with its adventures, offering countless opportunities to push your limits and try new things. And it will charm you with its people, whose warmth and hospitality are second to none. Whether you're exploring the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, hiking the Milford Track, or discovering the unique wildlife, or simply enjoying the relaxed vibe of a local pub, where you can unwind and soak in the local culture, New Zealand is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. Its unforgettable landscapes and experiences will leave a lasting impression on your heart and mind. Portugal history, charm, and coastal delights. From the rugged mountains to the golden beaches, Portugal is a country that effortlessly blends history, charm, and natural beauty. Get ready to wander through centuries-old castles, savor delicious seafood overlooking the Atlantic, and experience the warmth of Portuguese hospitality. Picture yourself getting lost in the colorful streets of Lisbon, surfing the waves of the Algarve, or sipping port wine in the Douro Valley. Portugal offers a taste of everything, making it the perfect destination for a diverse and unforgettable trip. The best time to visit Portugal is in the shoulder seasons, spring or fall, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. Summer can get quite hot, especially in the inland regions, while winter can be rainy, particularly in the north. The Portuguese are known for their warmth, generosity, and love of good food and company. Don't be surprised if you find yourself invited to share a meal or a glass of wine with locals. It's all part of the Portuguese charm. Portugal is a country that will captivate you with its history, charm you with its culture, and delight you with its cuisine. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, relaxing on pristine beaches, or simply soaking up the lively atmosphere of a local tasca, Portugal is a destination that will leave you wanting more. Costa Rica Pura Vida Paradise. Our final stop takes us to a country that embodies the phrase Pura Vida, Pure Life, Costa Rica. This Central American gem is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and anyone looking to reconnect with nature. Imagine yourself ziplining through the rainforest canopy, surfing world-class waves, and coming face-to-face with sloths, monkeys, and toucans. Costa Rica is a true biodiversity hotspot where you can experience the magic of the rainforest up close. The best time to visit Costa Rica is during the dry season, which runs from December to April, when the weather is sunny and ideal for outdoor activities. However, even during the rainy season, from May to November, you can still enjoy plenty of sunshine and fewer crowds. The Costa Rican people, often called Ticos, are known for their warmth, friendliness, and positive outlook on life. They're passionate about their country and eager to share its beauty with visitors. Costa Rica is a country that will inspire you with its natural beauty, thrill you with its adventures, and warm your heart with its people. Whether you're exploring active volcanoes, relaxing on pristine beaches, or simply soaking up the Pura Vida lifestyle, Costa Rica is a destination that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So there you have it, 5 incredible destinations topping the travel charts for 2025. Each of these places offers something truly unique, from ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes to thrilling adventures and heartwarming hospitality. Whether you're drawn to the neon lights of Tokyo, the geothermal wonders of Iceland, the adventure capital of New Zealand, the charming streets of Portugal, or the Pura Vida spirit of Costa Rica, there's a destination out there waiting to spark your wanderlust. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which destination has stolen your heart and is making its way to the top of your travel bucket list. And as always, thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll see you in the next video.